also aware that when certain statements are made, it also make other people to make certain statements. But we should not lose sight of certain facts and realities that are on ground, which is to say that if we step back a little bit and we look at the resistance that emerged immediately, the late president became ill and it was obvious that he may not survive. We had the issues of opposition to Jonathan coming up, and this is what has led us to where we are today. If in truth Nigerians who have constituted themselves into political leaders on the platform of opposition, and today we have APC, if they restrict themselves to the issues, to the facts that are on ground, let us restrict ourselves to whether this government is doing well from when it was elected in 2011. Let us appraise them on those bases and leave personalities out of it, leave the First Lady out of it, leave her weight matter out of it, leave insults out of it, and come into the reality of the position.
What's the reality?
Those realities will be to assess Jonathan on the basis of what he has done from the time he was elected, not what he can or cannot do of something that has existed for over 50 years. You know, so we need to support any government that is on board, that is there to govern Nigeria, not necessarily whether we like where the person is from or whether we do not like the person. We are supposed to encourage ourselves to move this country forward and not insist the way the opposition seems to have insisted that it is their way or no other way. And that is what has brought us to this point.